Okay, we're here at Pasig Green Park Village, and you can see here that it's really flooded from the gate. Yeah, and we need to bring a floater with us in order to bring the things unwet. We are at the first feet of Green Park, which is Sullivan, and we are still, you know, the water is up to my waist. Yeah. Oh my gosh. This is the house of my in-laws. My gosh. And the gate was broken. Oh my gosh. There's a cat inside, oh. You can see. Oh my gosh. We are still mga gano kalayo pa yun. Actually, pag baha dito, the entire village is already flooded because it's the highest place sa Green Park. Yeah. Welcome to Pasig Green Park Village, the flooded Green Park Village now. It's a chopper. Maybe it would bring some relief goods here. So there are people who use their doors as a raft. Even dogs here. This is Brasilia, and look at that car. It's submerged into water totally. And look at that van. Oh my gosh. I guess I don't see any raft boat here where inflatable boats from any rescuers, from any of the so-called national disaster committee thingy, chuva. Oh my gosh, look at the car. Really submerged into water. Oh my gosh. We're almost halfway there. Oh my gosh. The Honda Accord, my gosh, it's really submerged. Oh my gosh, look at that. Here's another car. My gosh, really. Oh my gosh. I guess the cars here need overhauling. CD, oh. Somebody dropped this. Sayang. Mali mo meron. No, never mind. Look at the church. Whoa. The water is up to my waistline now. Yeah, sure. And as you can see, this is the basketball court. The basketball court is also flooded. And the water is up to above my waist now.